Santham Academy. Welcome to Digital Kaksha. To get updates on new videos, click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Hello students, today we will be learning the question based on the relation between discriminant and the nature of root. So the question is, find the nature of roots of quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals to 0. If the real roots exist, then find the roots. According to the question, we need to first check whether the roots are real or not. If the real roots exist, then we need to solve the question further and we have to find the roots. So let us start with the question. Our equation is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals to 0. So our first step is to compare the given equation with the standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. On comparing, we will be getting the value of coefficients. So the value of a on comparison will be equals to 3. The value of b will be equals to minus 4 root 3 and the value of c will be equals to 4. After getting the coefficients, we need to find the discriminant, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. So let us substitute the value. On substituting, we will be getting minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 3 into 4. The square of minus 4 root 3 will be equals to 48 minus the multiplication of 4 into 3 into 4 give us the product as 48. So on subtracting 48 minus 48, we will be getting the discriminant equals to 0. As we know that when the value of discriminant is equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. As the roots are coming real, so we will be using the quadratic formula for getting the roots or solution of the quadratic equation. So we will be using the formula x equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x equals to minus b plus minus under the root d whole upon 2a. We will be simplifying it by substituting the value. So x equals to minus, the value of b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus, I will be directly substituting the discriminant which was equals to 0. That is under the root 0 whole upon 2 into 3. It will be written as x equals to 4 root 3 plus minus root 0 will be equals to 0 whole upon 6. As you can see in the formula, we are having positive and negative sign. So once for the first root, we will be considering the positive sign, and for the second root, we will be considering the negative sign. So x equals to 4 root 3 plus 0 whole upon 6 will be equals to 4 root 3 upon 6. On simplification, we will be getting 2 root 3 upon 3. Similarly, x equals to 4 root 3 minus 6 will be equals to 4 root 3 upon 6. On simplification again, we will be getting 2 root 3 upon 3. That means that we are getting the real and equal roots for the given quadratic equation. So the roots are 2 root 3 upon 3 and 2 root 3 upon 3. In this manner, we can first check whether the real roots exist or not. If the real root exists, then by using the quadratic formula, we can find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now, we will be learning the questions based on finding the value of unknown when nature of roots is given. So, the question is find the value of k, for which the given equation has equal roots. The equation is bracket k minus 12 x square plus 2 into k minus 12 x plus 2 equals to 0. As it is given in the question that the given equation has equal roots, so first of all we will be comparing the given equation with the standard form. So on comparing, we will be getting the value of a equals to k minus 12, which is the coefficient of x square. The value of b will be equals to 2 multiplied by k minus 12, which is the coefficient of x, and the value of constant c is equals to 2. After getting the coefficients, we will be finding the value of discriminant. The value of d is equals to b square minus 4ac. We will be substituting the value of coefficients to get the value of discriminant. Therefore, d equals to, in place of b, I will be writing 2 into k minus 12 whole square minus 4 multiplied by the value of a, which is k minus 12 into 2, which is the constant. Here we will be squaring 2, so we will be getting 4 into k minus 12 whole square minus 4 2s are 8 multiplied by k minus 12. As you can see, in both the terms, k minus 12 is common. So, we will be taking out k minus 12. We will be left with 4 multiplied by k minus 12 minus 8 in the bracket. Now, we will be writing k minus 12 as it is, and we will be simplifying the bracket. On simplification, we will be getting 4k minus 12 4s are 48 minus 8. In the next step, we will be getting k minus 12 into 4k minus 56. This is the value of the discriminant. Since the root of given equation are equal, therefore the value of discriminant will be equals to 0. It means that the value of k minus 12 into 4k minus 56 should be equals to 0. Since we need to find the zeros or the roots of the given quadratic equation, so once we will be equating k minus 12 equals to 0, and in the next step we will be equating 4k minus 56 equals to 0. On equating k minus 12 equals to 0, we will be getting the value of k equals to 12, and on equating 4k minus 56 equals to 0, we will be getting the value of 4k equals to 56. So, the value of k equals to 56 upon 4, which which is equals to 14. Now, when we will be substituting the value of k equals to 12 in the given equation, then we will be getting the coefficient of x square as 0. So, it does not satisfy the given equation. Therefore, we will be considering the value of k equals to 14. Hence, the required value of k is 14. So, by this, you can easily find the value of unknown variable in the given quadratic equation. I hope it is easier for you now to find the value of unknown variable when the nature of the roots are given. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more.